This is my new 3D printed project. What we have here is a 3D printed crystal type object. It's just a translucent or semi-transparent PLA crystal thing that I quickly knocked together. On the underside of here we got a ring shaped WS2812 addressable LED circle. That's just with animated red, green, blue LEDs, so you can make different patterns. We got an ESP8266 here, NodeMCU thing. That's just controlling the LEDs, and it's also got a little Wi-Fi chip on it so that you can control it via your home networking. Obviously there's a power supply, just an extra capacitor. It can be powered by anything. It will output about 12 volts or so. And I'll just show you what this does. So we connect up to the phone. Just unlock that. At the moment it's off, so let's try static. Oh, it's gone green. So we can change the colours by picking different colours on the colour wheel. I quite like green, it makes it look a bit like kryptonite. So then we got a few patterns. So what have we got here? There's one which is quite good, twinkle, let's try that. That's okay. Sparkle. Put the speed up a bit, it's not really sparkling very much. Oh, there we go, there's a little bit of... Some of the effects look better at higher speeds and some look better at slower speeds. It's obviously one that looks better when it's a bit faster. And obviously that's just the same green. Go for purple. Slowly change over to purple as it sparkles. There we go. What else have we got? Colour white. Oh, that's a bit excessive. Let's take the speed down. You can see the circular lighting effect there. Breathe is quite nice. Needs to be a bit faster maybe. Speed that one up. Okay. Rainbow cycle, that's always nice. Turn that around a bit. Now that I know it works, I might design a nicer crystal. This was just my first attempt. Oh, that's quite nice. A bit fast, let's turn it down a bit. There we go. Turn it up a bit more. It's interesting, quite like that. Turn that one down a bit in speed. There we go. Obviously you can adjust the brightness down. See how that's coming out on camera. That's looking okay. Let's see if we've got any nice effects here that I've not clicked on yet. Seems to be random colours that. One here called random colour. Okay, that just changes through random colours. Theatre chase. Oh, that's quite nice that. Let's put that in green and see what it looks like. Some green sparkly kryptonite. Put the brightness back up to see what it looks like. Yeah, I quite like that. Turn it down a bit. Slow it down. What else have we got? Quite nice. See what that looks like sped up. Yeah, that's quite nice. Yeah, that's okay. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah, it looks like kryptonite or something. Pink. Purpley colour. And so there you have it, you get the idea. Not much more to it than that. It's just the McLighting project, somebody else's code that I've just got on there. But yeah, it seems to work, so I'll try making it into a thing, create a box for this and put it all in a kind of case with buttons for on and off and stuff like that. Job done.